This here is a video of the Mendeley software where you can download PDFs, you can mark upon them. I'll show you some of my work here. I have 3 articles about SAE. This here I have highlighted this part, added a comment. I have that for 3 different articles right here. And you can go back to this page here and you're going to want to click on export to MS Word, and then what that'll do is that'll bring you to Microsoft Word, and then you want to click on references, and you'll have this once you install the Mendeley software. And then what I've done here is already inserted a reference, but I'm going to show you how to do that. You click on this insert citation here and you can search for the articles that I have in my Mendeley, and you just click OK, and it'll bring up your reference, and you can make a bibliography on Word this way, and it saves all of your stuff together. So, very easy to do, very useful tool. So, and I added my PDFs up in this Mendeley application by this add button, imported a document from my files. So that's how you use Mendeley.